Yeah, the Deputy Speaker raised the issue of recruitment. I think one of the issues that I have to grapple with if this House appoints me, approves me, is the issue of recruitment. That is the elephant in the room. I mean, all my 15 years, Mr. Speaker, is how recruitment is done. You know, people run, about 100 of them, and in the evening you are told there are some people who are not in the field who are picked. I mean, you know, it's good to say it. So there's a lot of discontentment in terms of recruitment. But I think world over, we must have the criteria of physical fitness. I mean, if you are 34 and Kanoraso will agree with me. If you are to go to training and your weight is 35, and in the training you're going to carry a bag of 40, then you will die. And so KDF doesn't want to recruit people, and at the end of the day, the person. So they have to look at the physical fitness. That's everywhere. The training is very vigorous. The training is tough. So it's not. We can't just pick. They can't just pick anybody. So they must pick the best of the best in terms of physical fitness. Even for the cadet, the same. The issue of do we integrate